S3 hub and USB cable. Power input, micro USB, reset button. Label LED indicator. Please turn off 4G and WLAN and before configuration. Open the BroadLink app. Tap the American server to change your correct server. Sign in has 3 options to log in the app. Use email address to sign up. The default factory mode is AP. The LED flashes 4 times per second. Tap plus on top right corner and choose Add Device. Tap Cancel to skip open Bluetooth settings. Tap the Wi-Fi devices. Start to scan and select Change to AP Setup. Tap Next. Look for your device SSID BroadLink Wi-Fi device automatically. Choose your home Wi-Fi and input password, then tap Connect to Wi-Fi. The LED indicator flashes slowly then off. The device successfully connected. Choose the room and name the device. Press the reset button for 10s until it flashes quickly. It's the smart setup mode waiting to be added. Tap plus on top right corner and choose Add Device. Tap the Wi-Fi devices, looking for devices. Tap Next directly, choose your home Wi-Fi and input password. Tap Connect to Wi-Fi. The LED indicator flashes slowly then off. The device successfully connected. Choose the room and name the device. LED indicator, reset button, lens, mounting pad and mounting rack, battery insulation sheet, mounting slot, anti-tampering switch, cover buckle. Open BroadLink app, tap plus button and then scan QR code. Scan the QR code or input SN from label on package. Printed on back of product. Input SN manually. Tap Confirm to add, and choose a room and rename the sensor. Remove the battery insulation sheet. In case it is not in pairing mode, press and holds the LED indicator for 5s and loose. It flashes 5 times per second. Tap the device has been reset to proceed and complete pairing. Go to the PIR sensor home page. Tap History Records to view all history records. Fix PIR on the wall. Tap More button, and set up push notifications. Go to App Bottom Me, and tap Notification Center to check the push message record. Set a routine about turn on bulb when person detected. Found the PIR sensor. Open Alexa app, tap bottom devices, select all devices, go to somebody, create a routine. Unscrew the cover from bottom. Use a flatted screwdriver to push the buckle from 45 degrees to open the cover. Battery model CR123A lithium 3V, and battery must be changed ASAP if low battery alert shows on phone. Otherwise the device may stop working unexpectedly.